latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I am Surat Suresh. Well, it's been almost 4 to 5 months that we have entered the pandemic or the lockdown period, and probably all of us have been buying a lot of utensils, a lot of public health ingredients and products as well, just to ensure that we stay home safe as well as entertain ourselves. Well, for the same reason, there are a few of the products that has been listed as the top buys by everyone across India. So let's take a look as to what are these products that you have bought and how the sales have actually risen. Firstly, let's speak about immunity boosters. Now, immunity boosters are usually given in the form of either Chyawanprash, where it'll be an Ayurvedic product, or in the form of several milk products as well, which are being sold by dairy industry. But we have data regarding the Ayurvedic products which have been sold by several companies. Chyawanprash in particular, it has risen, the sales have risen by over 283%, and as well as there is something called as branded honey. So that rose by around 39% in the month of June as well. This is the report given by Nielsen Holdings PLC report. Now, apart from that, Dabur, which is one of the India's largest Ayurvedic product retailers, now they have said that yes, Chyawanprash, according to them, has surged past 700% from April to June. So that is a large number that we are looking at, large number of products being sold, and somewhere people are actually looking at boosting their immune system just to stay strong and fight off COVID-19. Now, the next product that we'll be looking at is comfort food. Now, comfort food is something which all of us want when we stayed at home. Work from home should become easier. So it could be munchies, it could be something like a Kit Kat, a chocolate, or your Maggi as well. Now, speaking about Maggi, Nestle has released data regarding the number of Maggi packets which were sold and the kind of sales that has happened, and they've termed it as impressive. That 10.7% rise was there in the month of March. That is the first quarter that they're speaking about. And after this, there was products like Kit Kat, Munch. All of this has also risen in this particular period. Apart from that, Parle-G. Now, Parle Products Private Limited, they have also gone ahead and said that Parle-G biscuit sales have also increased during this particular period. And they have said that between April and May, it was the highest. Now, coming to digital services, now the number of new students who have enrolled for digital online classes, and probably all of us shifting to digital platforms now, probably this is what we are looking at. So for now, they have said that it has risen in a very large manner, and in the month of July is when the technical learning or the online classes have increased. Apart from that, we have been speaking about entertainment. So probably the in-house competitor to Netflix, that is ZEE5, has seen a huge rise in the number of active users. 45% rise, and app downloads have also been witnessed by ZEE5. This is probably because there were several actors who who passed away. Their demise probably led people to revisit their movies, watch their movies again. And that's why 45% rise was there in app downloads of ZEE5. Now, coming to appliances, very important factor when it comes to work from home or when it comes to personal hygiene. So probably we'll speak about few things. One of the top buys were something like juicers, mixers, microwave, toasters, and all of this according to the Flipkart data which has been released. So probably yes, most of them wanted to try out new delicacies, new food at home, and probably work from home got monotonous, and they wanted to try out new cuisines as well because they couldn't visit nearest restaurant. So they bought everything which is concise to their kitchen. Now, apart from that, there was a demand which rose for even vacuum cleaners as well, because that was the need of the hour, keeping the house clean and maintaining personal hygiene. So for that, vacuum cleaners were one of the top buys during this pandemic period. Now, apart from that, thirdly, one of the most important factors which were affected, that was the salon or the barber. Now, most of them grew their hair, they couldn't groom their beard or their entire hair, or personal hygiene was not maintained. So for that, trimmers were bought. The maximum number of trimmers were bought during this pandemic period. Apart from that, shaving kits were also bought, and there were several other personal grooming items or accessories. They were also bought during this pandemic period as well. So on the whole, probably people wanted to stock up for work from home, they wanted to stock up for the lockdown, and they wanted to feel safe, and they wanted to feel healthy. They also wanted to stay at home itself. So for that reason, they have bought all of these products. You might be one of them and probably you're wondering, oh, these are the products that I have bought. Probably that's exactly what this particular report has shown. Well, if you've liked this video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe to News9 Digital on all social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.